The ocean hides treasures, and powerful ships are built to find them. Modern mining fleets travel deep into unknown and dangerous waters. These ships search the seabed for gold, metals, and rare minerals. Advanced scanners reveal what human eyes can never see below. Robotic arms dive down to collect resources from the ocean floor. Giant machines work silently in the cold, dark depths of the sea. Every mission is risky, but the rewards are incredibly valuable. AI systems guide ships with perfect accuracy and control. Pipes and drills pull hidden riches toward the surface. Ocean mining ships turn water into opportunity for the future. Crews monitor everything from high-tech command centers. Powerful engines keep the fleet stable in heavy waves. Storms challenge operations, but technology keeps ships safe. Gold, copper, and rare elements rise from the deep sea. Each discovery supports global industries and innovation. Smart navigation avoids danger under and above the water. Robots replace humans in the most extreme ocean conditions. Energy systems run day and night without stopping. Every successful lift brings new value to the modern world. Mining fleets connect oceans with global markets. The future of resources now begins beneath the waves. Technology transforms oceans into centers of progress. Strong ships protect these missions across vast seas. Ocean mining continues evolving with smarter machines. From the deep ocean to the future, ships carry human ambition forward.